with Paul House here at the Draeger Safety booth, probably right smack dab in the middle of the floor. I think you probably got one of the best spots in the show, and certainly everybody's found you because you can hardly get into the booth. What's bringing the people into the booth today?
Well, we've got some new products. We're showing our new thermal imaging camera for the fire service, and also introducing our new SCBA that's compliant to 2007 NFPA standard.
What are some of the other things that we don't normally think of Draeger as that are here at the show this year?
Well, Draeger's not only a supplier of breathing apparatus and gas detection, but a solution provider. We have training aids for teaching firemen how to handle themselves in flashover conditions and fire conditions. We have training galleries that allows us to, again, train firefighters in confined spaces and tough, tight areas, as well as the normal breathing apparatus for confined space entry for getting into manholes, say, and then our typical breathing apparatus that firemen would use on a day-to-day basis.
Paul, we're over here with your latest piece of breathing apparatus. You want to tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, this is the new Draeger PSS 7000 system, totally new, built from the ground up to meet the new requirements of the NFPA 2007 standards. It uses smart card technology for the communication system. It has a totally new harness configuration using a vulcanized neoprene rubber on a material base, something that no other manufacturer uses today. We have a smart electronic pass device to exceed the new standards. Our warning systems are both high visible as well as audible to make sure that the firemen and the surrounding crew members can hear a downed firefighter. It's the only mask on the marketplace that has dual speakers, both on the left and the right-hand side of the cheek area. This gives a surround sound when giving our communications. It's also the only mask and communication system that was purposely built. We actually designed the two at the same time to make sure they were fully integrated as one working system.
Tell us a little bit about some of your other new products.
Well, one of the new ones that we're introducing is the new Draeger UCF thermal imaging camera. The new camera gives superb pictures, and one of the things that we were looking for is a camera that was tough and rugged but had a very good picture quality. We work very closely with our engine manufacturer who supplied the core for the internals of the camera to supply a picture that was first class, crisp and very clear in all conditions, and I think we've successfully done that. And the feedback we've got from the show today has been excellent.
We're now with Bob Draeger, and Bob's going to tell us about some of the real special niche products that you have.
The first product that we have is a product that's used to train firefighters. It's using gas as the fuel, and we train firefighters in a safe and effective manner. The key is safety. We can train firefighters very effectively this way, where they learn basic skills, and then from that point on, they're now prepared to enter into the real live fires of real life situation of the firefighter world. We take these systems from the basic fire system, like to train people in the use of extinguishers, to taking our systems and applying them to ships, airplanes, cars, building specialized training devices around the world, custom systems. We've done systems in Panama, Taiwan, all over America, and they are very effective, and the business is moving.
This is the Draeger Mobile SCBA Confidence Course. Basically, it's comprised of a maze that is configurable to the users. We put various hazards inside, such as manhole covers, also tunnels that the inhabitants can crawl through. Also, it is configurable so that they can change the configuration every night so they don't become acclimated to it. We can do confined space exercises in here, such as confined space entry and retrieval, and everything is monitored so the inhabitants are safe in a separate control room that we monitor with infrared cameras.
You might consider the suite survival system as a fire laboratory. This is a safe control setting for the firefighters where they can see these fire conditions or this fire behavior up close and personal. What we're trying to do is to show the firefighters conditions that lead to this flashover phenomenon and what actions to take. And normally an evolution lasts about 20 minutes. And we will get several of these rollover, flashover episodes, if you will, during an evolution. We have been at the FDIC here in Indianapolis since 1998. We've had these systems in place every year, and for suite survival systems, it's a sellout each year. I believe last year we ran 250 guys through. This year it's 300, and it continues to be the most popular prop for hands-on training at the FDIC.
Absolutely happy to do this today. I mean, it was by far the best training that I've been through.
Absolutely useful. It was. I'm glad. I definitely recommend this for other firefighters who want to learn about flashover.